Programming your 2013-2016 Chevy Malibu key fob is a DIY-friendly process that uses your car's existing system. This saves you from paying dealership fees, which often range from $100 to $200. The process involves synchronizing the key fob's unique code with the vehicle's engine control unit, or ECU, so it recognizes new or unpaired fobs. This is done through a sequence of ignition cycles and button presses on the key fob. While newer models are phasing out physical key fobs in favor of digital keys, DIY programming remains popular for these 2013-2016 models to save on costs. Make sure the key fob battery is fresh to prevent any programming errors. Enter the vehicle with your key. Cycle the ignition from off to on, repeating while pressing the lock-unlock buttons on the fob. Ensure you are in program mode, which usually lasts for about 30 seconds after ignition cycles. A common mistake is rushing the timing, so precise pauses like 10-second holds are important. If this process fails, try using an aftermarket Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, which can bypass manual steps and confirm programming. If issues persist after attempting the DIY method, the problem could be a faulty BCM or electromagnetic interference. Technicians recommend DIY for simple pairings, but warn against immobilizer tampering.